So I bet you guys are wondering what this is, right? This is the LOOPDOT. Check this out. You guys see this? This is made by Loop Gear. This is the flashlight that has a floodlight, a spotlight, and many displays for games. This is the LOOPDOT dual light source and CRI 90 illumination flashlight. I bet you've never owned a flashlight that has this much function and this much fun. Check it out. First of all, it has two different light sources. When you turn it on, it shows you the battery. Immediately, it goes to a display of floodlight. And if you turn the dial, this goes to a focus light. Let me turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. This is the floodlight. If you press it twice, the light comes up. This high CRI floodlight mode is great for reading and photography. And if you don't know what CRI means, it's color rendering index, which makes things pop like a polarized sunglasses. From the floodlight, you could turn it into the beam light or the focus light. When you have it on, you could adjust the brightness with this fidget dial down to 0.1 lumens or all the way up to 400 lumens. You can see this precise digital fidget dial, which has the stepless dimming and infrared sensor. The touchless infrared dimming up to 0.1 meter precision mechanical dial. This is such an addictive ASMR device. Here we have a lanyard, a nice grippy shell that you can remove easily. You can also get a shell or a cover that has a clip so you can put on your belt. With this cover, you could clip on any metal object and it stays right there. So it's operating hand-free. Here you have the USB-C cable that with one charge can last up to 11 hours of normal use. And this flashlight is ultra portable and durable. It only weighs
40 grams.
And it is made of high quality aerospace aluminum unit body. It is
IPX6 rating.
A 1 meter drop test. Whoops, I just dropped it. So you could buy this for the nice flashlight feature, but you'll get addicted to the 3C digital style dot matrix display that features in different modes. There are 4 different modes. You have the spotlight, you have the floodlight, you have the games, and then you have the vibration levels. And so if you're somebody that needs the ASMR stimulation, check this out. Once you're in the vibration mode, you can choose from the vibration levels, and it goes all the way up to 20. So you can hear this from 0 to all the way to 20. Now, all of those features combined should be enough, but this sends it over the top, and this is one of my favorite features. So check this out. This is the RGB dot matrix display with the mini games. This has 52 beat RGB displays with ambient light. I can go slow or super fast. Here are some different features. Here are the full 52 beat RGB display. And here is the dice game, which is super fun. Once you engage it, all you gotta do is give it a shake. And now you have the dice game. And here's the rock, paper, and scissors game. All you gotta do is give it a shake. There you have it. Paper. If you're looking for a high quality flashlight, I think this LOOPDOT is already great enough. With all the extra ASMR stimulation, including some of the digital games, I think this is super valuable. But if you're looking for something fun and functional at the same time, I highly recommend checking out this LOOPDOT by Loop Gear.